Say hi, Internet!
This is a tale of a pair of socks. Okay, folks, this is how I do my socks. See, my socks, I want a pair. How am I going to do that? It's called a safety pin. I safety pin my socks together every night, so this way, when I pull one out, I have a pair. So, there's your tip for the day. Safety pin your socks together. You'll always get a pair. I hope this tip helps you in your endeavors of always getting your socks matched up. If you do it the night before, when you take your socks off and pin them up, you don't ever have this problem ever again.